Hello Windows Universe. In this video we will look at how you can import or export group policy settings in Windows 10. For a more in-depth look at the topic, check out the Windows Club article linked in the description. Open the File Explorer in the source computer. Go to C Drive, Windows, System 32, Group Policy. You'll see folders like Machine, User, and a gpt.ini. You will need to copy these files. You can do it one of a few ways: a USB drive or some sort of cloud device. Make sure that you save all of the files and the content. Then, in the target computer, plug in the USB or open the cloud storage and save those files to the same location. When that is complete, restart your system to allow the group policy changes to take effect. For more helpful how-tos to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content to make your digital universe just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching and have a great day.